Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If this is your first time visiting this channel, then kindly hit the subscribe button, click on the notification button, turn on the notification button to accept all notifications so that you will not miss any important video on this channel. And please make sure that you drop your comment in the comment section, like our videos, share with your friends, and don't skip any part of this video. Please make sure you watch this video from the beginning till its end so that you will not miss any part of this video. It is very important to watch this video till it ends. So in these tutorials, we are going to learn how to develop a website. I ask you to download the application that we will be using for this particular training, which is SimDiff. We are going to use SimDiff for this training. So this is the app. Now, let's quickly click on it and see what will pop up there. Now, this is what we have inside the app here. If this is your first time visiting this app or using this application, then you need to open a new account. You have to open an account. So when you click on open an account, this particular app will load for you. So your site is loading. That is what will pop up. So let's wait patiently for it to finish. Now, when it's finished, this is what you see. They will ask you to enter your email address, and then you create a new password. After you are done with that one, then you click on register. Good. So because I'm having an account already, so I'll just cancel this and move straight forward. Now let me open this particular one. So I click on login. Let me click on login and log into my site. So your site is loading. Alright, so if you're able to enter your email address correctly and your password correctly, this is what you see. So let's click on new site. So click on this particular icon there, and let's start with our new site. So when you click on create a new site, this is what will pop up. So this is the dashboard of the new site that we are going to create. So title of this website, we need to add a title for this website. So double tap on it. Let's give it a title. So Juforce IT Services. Now we want to highlight all and give it bold. So you highlight all the text here, select all, come to the big B there, the capital B there, give it bold. Let's come to alignment. All these are alignments. So select the center one. We want it to be at the center. So click on it. Now let's come to this side. We want to maintain the white color. This button here represents color. So I want to increase the font size a bit. So when you tap on the plus sign, the font size will increase. When you tap on the minus, the character size will also decrease. So when you are done with that, you click on apply here. Apply, click on it, and let's continue. Good, so we have it here now, Juforce IT Services. Now we have another sub menu here. So let's go to menu. Let's go to menu, come to home page. We want to change this to home. We want to change it to home. So type home and click on apply. So we have it here nicely. Now let's click on the menu to come here. Now a title to this blog. We want to add a title to this blog. So tap on it and let's give it a title. Sorry. Okay, so tap on it now. Let's And so we are going to write something about this particular website. This is the home page. So you need to write something that your visitors can see and be happy about. Okay, so let's come to this one here. We want to change it. We are not going to add picture, we want to change it. So tap on add a new blog. Add a new blog. This one, apply. Alright, so this is what we have now. Let's click on it to write something there. So Jufos Global IT Services, or Jufos IT Service, was founded by Prof. Jufos. So please, you need to prepare for this particular site. You are going to write a lot, so prepare for it. You are going to describe the kind of business you do, the kind of things you do. That is what you are going to write here. So please get yourself prepared before you start. Alright, so this is what I have. So click on apply. After you are done, click on apply and let's save it. Good. So it's loading. This is what we have now. The title to this blog. So let's click on that and add something small. So about us. Okay, let's change this one to home. Rather, change this one to home. Select everything here. Click on the big B, the capital B. Click on it. Highlight everything. Sorry. To appear now, let's go to this particular section, the home, the one at the top. Click on it. Let's edit it. No, we are not talking of this one. Jufos IT training. Jufos IT training. Good. So you click on apply. And let's wait for it to load. Alright, so this is how it will appear. So Jufos IT training. So I think we are done with this one. So let's move to our dashboard again. Let's move to the menu. Sorry. Come and click on this one. Click on it, and now let's come to this page. Let's change it to our courses. So let's go back. Click on that one. Let's change it to our courses. It shouldn't be home. So our courses. Click on apply. Good. So now let's tap on it so that it will sorry. Let's tap on it and then it will take us to the home page. Good. So now our courses. So what is the title for this blog? So courses, and let's select all. Let's highlight everything. Click on the B there and put it in the middle and click on apply. So let's wait for it. Now it is loading. So we have it here. Courses. I hope you can all see it. Courses. Now, so you are going to describe the courses that you run in your school. So you quickly double tap on this one and let's write the courses that we do in the school there. Okay, so when you are done with that one, you click on apply. them here because I don't want this video to be long. That is why I just wrote those small ones there. Now a title to this block. So we run the following courses. We run the following courses. Alright, so we have it here. Now let's add an image. So let's add an image for graphics design. So click on choose an image, then it will take you to your gallery. So click on that and let's go to our gallery and select an image. Okay, so this is the image that I want to use for this training. So click on it and then click on select. And let's wait for it to load. Okay, so we have the image here. For this, because of this training, I don't want it to be long, so that's why I'm using this. So now let's add image description. So type whatever you want to type there. So let me type flyer. If you want it to show, then you activate this one. If you don't want it to show, then you leave it like this and click on apply. Good, so we have it here. You can add more blocks. You can add more blocks to this. Okay, because I don't want the video to be long, I would like to end this one here and continue in the next video. Thank you.